In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to analyze this data and then come up with a chart like this one down below here. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, if you have ever wanted to convert any of your data or data entries into a chart, you can simply do this straight with ChatGPT and it is free. Now, as you can see here, I have this chart, but it has been converted into a sample chart. Now, what about we get this information here, this table here, and then we ask ChatGPT to also do the same for us. So to do this, first I need to enter this information into ChatGPT. Now, there are two ways you can do this. If you have the information, you can just highlight and copy it and then paste in ChatGPT. But if you have the information on a photo, for my case, I'll have to take this photo and then upload it to ChatGPT and then extract this information before I can ask it to convert this information into a chart. So the first thing I'll do, I'll take a screenshot of this part, and then I'll go ahead and go to ChatGPT and upload our screenshot to ChatGPT. Go and log into ChatGPT and then come to our plus here. If you tap on it, it will give you an option to add photos and files. So I'll go ahead and then go take my file or my screenshot, and here it is. And then open it and you can see. And now I'll ask ChatGPT to extract the information. And ChatGPT will go ahead and extract that information just the same way it is on our table. And you can see it is doing a perfect job without missing even a single digit. Right, now here is our table. The data has been extracted. Now we want ChatGPT to go ahead and then convert this table data into a chart. And this we need a graph chart. So I'll ask ChatGPT to analyze this data. So I'll ask ChatGPT to analyze the data in a graph chart. And look at that. That is a graph chart. It has been analyzed and presented. Great. Remember, our end goal is to get a bar chart. So for us to get a bar chart, I'll still ask ChatGPT to analyze it into a bar chart. So that's what I'll ask ChatGPT, analyze the data into a bar chart, and let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. And here we go. The analysis has begun. Look at that. Wow, this is so great. Now our bar chart is here, and you can see it is very much detailed monthly bar chart of values with average lines, and it went ahead even gave us the values here. And as you can see, everything is on top notch. Look at that. Apart from that, it went ahead and colored the bars with different colors for different values from value 1 to value 3 for each and every month. And still, it went ahead and gave us some insights. For instance, it says February stands out. All three values are high. You can see that analysis, the key highlights that it picked out. So once you are done, now it's time to go ahead and copy and then paste your information or your data to any place that you so wish. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.